Well, 6 days after the midnight fiasco in the Rajya Sabha over the Lokpal bill, BJP has now decided to take the fight to the president. A BJP delegation led by LK Advani will meet President Patil to protest against the government's failure to pass the Lokpal bill.
Government has choreographed this entire debate.
Midnight drama in the Rajya Sabha.
This house will decide how long to sit.
With the Lokpal bill setting the cat among the pigeons.
The government will not decide how long this house is to sit.
At the stroke of midnight hour when the world was sleeping, the biggest ever parliamentary fraud in India was being committed.
दोनों सदनों के नेता प्रधानमंत्री और प्रणब मुखर्जी सदन में मौजूद थे और मेरा ये आरोप है कि उन्होंने केवल उस दृश्य को मौन रहकर देखा नहीं बल्कि उस षड्यंत्र को स्वयं रचा.
An unrelenting BJP now deciding to take the fight to the next level.
Amid all the ruckus which went down within the party after induction of the tainted UP Minister Babu Singh Kushwaha, the BJP top brass is all set to meet the president to make their point pretty clear and also to show their anger and to stress that what went down on the last day of the debate in the upper house was not at all accepted by them, and also ahead of the UP elections to make their point pretty clear that BJP is in favour of a strong Lokpal bill.
But 6 days after its unsparing onslaught on the government, the shoe is in the other foot for the principal opposition party, smarting over its move to welcome tainted BSP discards into its fold ahead of the UP polls.
इस देश में जन लोकपाल की कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है. सारे भ्रष्ट लोगों को भाजपा में भेज दीजिए, वो शुद्ध हो जाएंगे.
With the BJP staring at the possibility of its anti-corruption plank being blunted, it would rather have the spotlight on the Rajya Sabha fiasco,
the government's commitment to passing the Lokpal bill,
and the Congress's failure to pass the Lokpal bill.
कोई सरकार संसद में वोट करवाने से दूर भागती है.
With Aishwarya Kapoor in New Delhi, Munmun Bhattacharya for Times Now.